I think the weather forecasters have got it wrong again. It said rain and brighten up later, and I thought, oh, I have to go to Rivington. Not been for ages, and then should I continue to Blackpool afterwards and have a bite to eat and have a run through the lights? I wasn't going to bother this year because it was, I wouldn't say crap last year, but you know, they've gone for the LED look rather than the animatronics and normal bright light bulbs look, which was what it was like in the 70s when I was young. And like I keep saying, the money they must generate from the council tax, all them, I was watching 3 or 4 in a bed, that competition thing between hotels and B&Bs, and there was a Blackpool one on. And someone said, how many hotels and B&Bs are in Blackpool? He said, between 3 and 3,500. So if they're all paying £1,000, well, houses pay 1,000, don't they? So I bet a guest house must pay a lot more. Where's all the bloody money going? Anyway, can you hear the rain lashing down? What a bloody climate. I was going to take the water pump out of my water feature, like I said yesterday, and store it. I can hear people in the back in this stuff. I think there's some drug dealing going on. I mentioned in the comments that our society these days is just a bunch of bloody druggies. I know I can't make sweeping generalisations. And there's some water dripping there. It's not wide, is it, near a mains light? It is on a circuit breaker. Have I got raining in? Can you hear bangs as well? It's fireworks season. That'll please my cats, won't it? Plugged in, yeah. Don't think it'll need any charging up. It's not really cold yet, but I always plug it in anyway. Alright then. Aldi specials. I was going to have them all flashing and go through the illuminations with all my lighting systems on. But not tonight. Maybe when I'm off work that weekend of October. Yes, I brought my deck chair in. Yeah, they're selling rhododendrons again at Morrison's. I thought of getting one to replace the one that died there, but what's the point? Not going to sit outside this autumn, so I won't be able to enjoy them. Yes, it's turning into a wash day because of the crap weather. I clean my old trainers. Nothing to do, you find things to do, don't you? Look at Ginger, you'll be making nests. What are you making nests for? You're not pregnant, are you? You're a little boy, Ginger. That's my t-shirt rack. And I strain it when he gets out and he pulls it all out again with his paws. And climbs in. You okay, baby? They've all had another flea tablet this morning. 4 fleas. So I think he's sulking. Hope it doesn't make him ill. You alright, baby? Where's that spray? Oh, there. Bob Martin's. Someone said it's crap, but it was only £9. just lit all these candles and put the fire on. And what's on the telly? Yes, my favourite show, Escape to the Country. A budget of £800,000. What's he do for a living? Right, Blackie? You're all wet, Blackie. You been outside? Blackie. Come here. Silly Blackie, aren't you? I've no tissues handy. He normally comes to me and I dry him off with kitchen roll, but I've run out. I've run out, Blackie. You'll have to stay soggy moggy, won't you? Silly boy. I'll turn that fire down now, it's got warm. Ah, good boy. I think our little Bobby's in his bed. Hey Bobby, you like that cosy bed? Oh. That igloo's meant to be for Bobby. We being the smallest. Tea light candle. Yes, not used for 2 months, that blue bike jacket. Boo. I sprayed that spray upstairs this morning. I'm going to do a test, see if any fleas appear on my ankles. What channel is it on? Storage one. Jason and the Argonauts again. Oh, it's a new one. The old one from 1963 was on last week. Any fleas? No. Normally I check for fleas every night. No drips. Is the bathroom one dripping? No, amazingly. How does it drip when it's light rain, and then when it's heavy rain like it is now, it doesn't drip? It's just weird. I'm baffled. nice, isn't it? Lovely old cottages. That's the look I was trying to achieve. I was going to put fake beams on like an old cottage look. But it would have been such a fiddle and faff, I didn't bother. I wanted lightweight reproduction, plastic trim, hollow sort of things, but when I inquired I was given looks like, what's that on about? I said fake plastic beams which look realistic but are very lightweight. Because I've left a little recess at the top of here, about 10 mil. Just slot them in, run them right across, a couple of retaining screws make them look invisible, and there they are, the beamed ceiling look. But nobody seems to do any. Oh well. Alright, Blackie, you drying off? Oh, good boy, aren't you? Yes, my bike signs are switched off for now. Maybe I should switch them back on now. I'm back in a mood for biking again. I feel slightly less tired as well because I'm on iron tablets. And I got some liquid vitamins and iron. Sort of feel a bit more energetic. I know I don't sound like it, but it's a dietary supplement, isn't it, for people that eat crap like me. Oh, that's nice. Lovely big bathroom. I'll rewind this. I've missed half an hour of it now. Anyway, that's just a quick report on our crappy weather today. Rivington then Blackpool cancelled. It's brightening up now. Brightens up, then it pours down again. Bloody weather. So thanks for all your nice comments yesterday. You're just going to get lots of bad comments. Well, what do you do if it's pouring down? Can't do any outside, do it yourself, or cleaning the bike, or bike maintenance really. I was going to check the tyre pressures, I'll do that tomorrow. Lovely. Oh, look at that pool. Palm trees in a pool, lovely. That's what 800 grand buys you. What about him that's 170 million? Are you back, Blackie? Oh, he's trying to dry himself off so he'll get a cuddle. Because normally I don't let him on my knee when he's wet. You shouldn't go out, Blackie. Pouring down. Silly. Well, on that note, me and Blackie will say goodbye.